Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. This release from Live Love Posh is one we've all been waiting for. It is certainly the season of all of the fall releases, and I'm really excited about this release from Live Love Posh. I love the aesthetic, and this is one of her like mega sticker books. I don't know if you remember, she's released a few of them. There was Holly Jolly, the Christmas one, there was Posh Party, and now we have Chic Fall. So in this video, I am going to flip through this brand new, super big 60-page sticker book and then share with you something else that's fun and new that is in this bag. All right, let's go. All right, so before I forget, this new release will go live on Tuesday, August the 15th. I do have a link down below and a code SCRAPPY10 will save you 10% on your order, and you're gonna wanna pick this one up. Okay, so I'm excited about this. This is one of the beautiful covers from Live Love Posh. First of all, it comes in a very beautiful like dust cover. I love it. And then this is her new black kind of cropped look cover. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is a black classic size cover. It has the snap. This is my first time having a Live Love Posh cover. So we have nice thick plastic. It's definitely going to hold up really well right here. It has a little bit of a puff to it. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but you can press in just a little bit of padding. When you open up to the inside, it's tight right here. I think you'd have to kind of work it and get it broken in a little bit, but you have places for cards. Oh, it's so cute. In the back, there is a pen loop back here. This is gorgeous. Very chic, very professional looking. Love, love, love it. So these covers will be available over at Live Love Posh, and she has them in lots of different colors. The pink one is gorgeous. I think there's several different colors. I can't remember them all right now, but it is absolutely gorgeous. If you kind of want to update your planner for the fall, this one, I mean, it has kind of the fall feels. Like you can see this one with like a cup of coffee and sitting out in a coffee shop enjoying the weather. Love, love. Okay, so that is the new cover. And then, of course, Chic Fall. Like I said, 60 pages, like all the fall stickers you could ever want. Let's do a flip through. All right, right away we have our fall bucket list. It just makes it really easy to put together a bucket list. I love it. Look at all those. Baked pie, light candles, already into that mode. Movie marathon, yes please. So, a spicy manicure, that's cute. You get 2 pages of each, like 2 copies of each page, which I love because then you don't feel like you have to hoard stickers. Look at that fun washi tape. That is very cute. And this kind of like goes along with this. You can decorate your page a little bit more. Love the pumpkin carving. And this one is on clear. Okay, so you had paper and then clear. Both of these were paper. So paper, 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 clear. Then we go into some gorgeous florals. So stinking cute. And we're going to do the paper clear thing. So this is on paper. This is on clear. I love that she started doing this because we all have different preferences of when we want paper and when we want clear stickers. Now you have them both. So pretty. Look at this one with the pumpkins and kind of a lighter feel. That is gorgeous. On clear. How cute. So this is like my version of Halloween. Like cute and funny with the dog and the jack-o'-lantern. I'm not super into scary Halloween. Look at the decorated tree. That's different. That's very cute. Paper, paper. Oh, so fun. Paper. Look at all the candy spilling out. That's adorable. I love that. That is super fun. Oh, these are pretty. Mixing in the bats. So it looks like, okay, the actual florals don't have the bats. So if you're not wanting to do the bats, you don't have to, but they go really nicely. And then on clear, I love the purple, of course. Oh, this one's pretty too, with little cobwebs, or sorry, the spider webs mixed in. On paper and on clear. Oh, I love this one. This one is like all the Thanksgiving feels. Paper, clear, and then these girls, like, stop it. I love them. Oh, I think they're gorgeous. I'm here for that. Those are on paper, then on clear. They're just so gorgeous. All the fall feels. Then you have like your cozy fall like house setup. I love it. All the different fireplaces, looking out the window. That's beautiful. This one's on paper, some tiny trees. You can create some gorgeous scenes, I feel like. And then on clear, absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I love fall trees. That's my favorite thing about living in Northern Virginia where I live, is that we actually get the trees change colors. And in Texas, they often just turned brown. That is so pretty. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. That one is so pretty. I love fall leaves. I'm here for it. I'm here for all the fall colors. Getting into Thanksgiving. Some brighter colors. This is like a long, is this faux washi over here? Yeah, this is like a long sticker. Love that. Happy Thanksgiving. Both of those are on paper. This is also paper. Love the little outfit. We do a more informal Thanksgiving, like jeans. Jeans totally works for our Thanksgivings. So cute. I like the colors. That's adorable. Beautiful. Paper. I like the frame right there. This one is on clear. And then clear. They're just so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this. With the dragonflies and the mushrooms. Loving this one on paper. And then you get more of the big florals. That's beautiful. This is paper. All of those were paper. That is beautiful. I love that one. Very unexpected, which I'm here for. I like that. Into some blues. This is on clear. Clear. So this is like a watercolor effect, which makes a lot of sense why it's all on clear. Hello, fall. This feels like the fall decorating spread, like the week you plan to decorate your house for fall. So adorable. Love these. I really like these stickers. Let me know, do you like the faux washi stickers? I really, really do. I think it's a fun way to try some different patterns without having to have the whole roll of washi tape, and it's such a good use of the page. These are beautiful, like this hand-drawn look. Ah, cozy vibes. This is all the coziness. Oh, I think it's gorgeous. Look at that. All the neutral vibes, all the cozy. This is on white sticker paper. Oh, these are pretty. I'm like thinking of all of the spreads in my head already that I want to try and do. Now at the back we have some functional boxes, which is nice. So you had all of these pages of all different kinds of fall decor. And then in the back we have some functional boxes. So you get some of your headers, a lot of different bullet points, checklists, some smaller boxes, trackers, 2 pages of that. Then some larger boxes. These are nice. This is for the dashboard layout, in case you were wondering, these shorter checklists. Nice. And then we have some that'll match up with this. So like, I like how she does the different colors. So for instance, this set, these go very nicely. So you have some different ones that fit. I mean, same thing. This one, those. So there will be, same thing. There will be some functional boxes that go with all of these different sets. Okay, so this is the red, the pink, the purple. very pretty. Love, I just love this. I love this color combination. And here's those lighter tones, which we saw in some of them, with the light purple, the blue, kind of the khaki color. So pretty. It's you know, it's very complete because it has those functional boxes. I really like that because I like to just be able to grab the one sticker book if at all possible. It's not always possible. Sometimes I need more boxes. That's okay. Then we have some, is this one page? Yeah, we get one page of some words. Hello, fall, Halloween, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, autumn is my favorite color. All of these gorgeousness. Gorgeousness. I love fall most of all. That's one of my favorites. One of my favorite sayings. So this is Chic Fall. I am so excited to use it. All I could think about were all the different spreads I wanted to use and how early can I start? Let me know down below. How early do you start using fall stickers? I try to hold off until September, but I think some of these could sneak in a little bit early into August. I'm just saying because they're so pretty. All right, so just a reminder, this releases on Tuesday, August the 15th. I believe it's 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to use code SCRAPPY10 so that you can save on your order. I will have links down in the description box below. Let me know what you think of this gorgeous fall book. I just love fall. I really do love fall most of all. So I'm excited to get a chance to use this soon. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. If you want to check out Patreon, there is a link down in the description box below. And otherwise, I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.